Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Apple Pay option completely missing from your iPhone? Not showing in settings, not showing in Safari checkout, nowhere. Here's how to get it back. First, check if your country supports Apple Pay. Go to settings and then go to general. Then scroll down and go to language and region and check your reason. Apple Pay is not available in all countries, and if your region is set to a non supported country, it will be completely hidden. Also, make sure your iPhone's model supports Apple Pay. iPhone 6 and above all supported, so if you have a newer model, it should be fine. Next, go to the settings and then search for screen time and check if Apple Pay is being blocked by a restriction. Tap content and privacy restrictions. Tap all out app and features and make sure Apple Wallet is toggled on. Screen time parental controls can hide wallet completely. And finally, make sure you're signed in into your Apple ID. Go to settings and then tap at the name on the top of your screen. If no Apple ID is signed in, Apple Pay cannot activate. So all you gotta do is check your region supports Apple Pay, make sure wallet isn't blocked by screen time, and sign in into your Apple ID. Apple Pay will show up then. Subscribe for more